Hey guys, welcome to this video. If you're new to my channel, I mostly do more like beauty, makeup content here, diving more into skincare now as well. But I want to do a little bit more like lifestyle, self-help, if you will, kind of content as well. I just want to use this platform as a very uplifting, positive space. I want to help people be a better version of themselves. So in this video, I want to talk about ways to excel in a workplace. I wanted to share with you guys kind of tips that I've picked up along the way. So the first one is all about your personality, which is such a game changer. Being kind, positive, and friendly. I think they all coincide together. It's just gonna make you more of a likable person, whether you're working with customers, with your management, with your coworkers. No one likes working someone that's very negative, just down, moody, and just overall not a good vibe to be around. Really just changing your attitude, even if you have to fake it till you make it. I think just overall life is a bit better being a little bit more of a positive person. More people are gonna wanna work with you, which gives you more opportunities to actually stay with the company itself. It seems very simple, but it's actually easier said than done. So that's the first thing that will honestly keep you at any job, will get you past any interview. Worth ethic. Point 2. Worth ethic is a huge game changer. You're getting paid, you gotta work for your money. This comes with just trying your best. Give it your all, go above and beyond, take initiative even without being told. Those are great signs that bosses will look for in employees. Even if you're struggling with something and something's not really working out, just trying your best in it is really gonna look good on your part. Always looking for things that you can improve and help out with. You're gonna get nowhere if you don't put any heart into the jobs you're doing. First of all, you're gonna hate your job, and second of all, when you get to your actual job that you're working towards, you probably will be stuck in the same place with the same attitude. I know it can be challenging sometimes to want to work hard if you don't like your job, it's not where you want to be, but honestly, having a good work ethic and finding jobs to do will give you some more worth in the job, therefore will make you enjoy the job more. Being a team player, so important. You have to be able to work with people. Any job out there, well, most jobs out there, you're gonna work with people. I think just really encouraging your team is really good. Often that only comes from the person above, but encourage your peers, take leadership with your peers, and really acknowledging other people's wins I think is really cool. And it also just make you seem like a more kind, encouraging person as well, going back to point 1. Being willing and able to work with people, it can definitely be challenging sometimes. People can be difficult. I think stepping back, being the bigger person, and just having the attitude that you're in it for the team is so good, and it keeps all the competitiveness a little bit more at bay, depending on the job. Next point is act and look professional. Whatever job you're in, it will kind of differ, so whatever it means to the job you're in. Professionalism also will come with like the dress code and presentation of yourself, always looking put together, following the company's dress code, being respectful. It could also be just arriving 5 minutes early to work every shift, not being late. Like that says something about your professionalism. Not gossiping and talking behind people's backs. This is a very easy thing to do in any workplaces because there's always gossip, there's always drama when there's people together, and when you bring in work there's a little bit more, because no one wants to work or keep an employee that is causing all the drama and issues in the workplace. Not bringing personal life on the clock. Don't bring all your heavy problems to work, honestly. That's not what you're there for. Try not to bring that to work because it affects all the employees around you. It makes them maybe feel a little bit more down. Next point is take ownership. Taking ownership in your job and just having like care for your company. Passion's gonna overflow, more enjoyment for the job is gonna overflow. Take note of the company's goals, learn more about your boss and how the company runs. Everything else is just gonna stem from it. You're gonna wanna work harder for the company when you care for the company. And that's what your boss wants. That's what they wanna see. And a lot of employees don't do that. So you're gonna just stand out right away. All of that is just gonna look like you really are interested in the company and also interested in working your way up in the company. Take constructive criticism well and be willing to learn. No one likes hearing negative things about themselves, but switch it and be willing to learn from it. Hopefully someone's giving you constructive criticism in the right way as well, but just know you can improve and take it as a challenge, a good challenge that you can learn more from it. And also put it into practice right away. When there's something you can improve on, someone's giving you a tip that you could do better, try right away, because if you don't do it right away, you're probably gonna forget and it's not gonna become a habit. Just try it. It might be weird and awkward at first, embarrassing, scary, but the more you do it, the better you will be at it. If you're doing all these things, this can happen sometimes, so I want to mention it as the last one. Make sure you're not being taken advantage of. Stand up for yourself, make sure you're being treated fairly, don't let people walk all over you. Don't be scared to ask for a raise if you know you deserve it, if you're doing all the steps above, because if you know you're benefiting the company and they can't do it without you, you deserve something more. This is something that can happen really easily, so I think it's just something to be aware of. If it's a good company, they should see your worth and they should reward you for it. Because if you're doing all of it, but you're not getting rewarded with no incentive, it can be very challenging to keep it up. So that's all the points I want to share with you guys. I hope you guys learned something from this video, or maybe you can just reflect what you're doing in your job and how you can improve. These are also just really good reminders. If everybody was to put all these 7 steps into practice, man oh man, businesses would be more successful, people would be more happy with their jobs, and workplaces would just be an overall better place to be. Start from the top and slowly start implementing these tips, or maybe you find one that you really want to work on. I think definitely you'll have more chance of excelling in your workplace. If you like this video and you want to see more kind of videos like this, I have a few other ones planned. Give this video a big thumbs up, and also comment down below if there's any other things that I may have missed that have really helped you in your workplace. Without further ado, I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a great rest of your week. Bye!
You know those brown eyes in the sun make me weak. Still get butterflies every time we speak.